DJM TV.
Forgive armed bandits, Sheikh Gumi tells federal government. Hey, what's up, my people? I welcome you once again to DJM TV daily news update. That your number one channel where they knock you better news like this. With on what they happen for Nigeria, outside Nigeria, all around the world. Any story we just share like this, you dey sure say for this better ogbonge channel, you go sef get information about that news. I beg. If not the first time when you come across our video, don't forget to like the video and then touch that subscribe button for there. And here you see and then look near the subscribe button, you will see bell. Make you knock the bell there like this. So anytime we will drop news like can you self you go receive the news one time. You know the matter they be now. To the matter where we carry come. Sheikh Gumi, will be one Islamic cleric and a former military personnel, don't come outside and tell federal government say may they forgive armed bandits. And this matter they come after the kidnap of 27 schoolboys from the Kangara Government Science College for Niger State, and then the previous kidnap of 21 passengers from one bus like that where they go from Niger State, will be Niger State Transport Agency bus. And now Sheikh Gumi don't enter close meeting with the Niger State government to talk about this issue on how it could be. And then after the meeting, Sheikh Gumi come as I got to say, may federal government forgive armed bandits, may then grant them amnesty, the way that they give Niger Delta militants amnesty, sake of say, these armed bandits, Fulani Herbsmen, whatever way you call them, say they learn all these things from Niger Delta militants. More pause the news for you, more analyze something. It be like say we don't get school of kidnapping and militancy for Nigeria, because I don't know how people where they agitate for their rights, even though they go about it the wrong way. They open school, they teach people how to kidnap and how to do korukere waka. Well, back to the news. When I know say Niger State government don't come out before to say lie, they no go ever pay ransom to anybody. Say in fact, the Nigerian military and police are capable of bringing back the schoolboys. I should not remember that thing. But some of our sources what we get, they tell us not to say, Sheikh Gumi know where all these people they do. If they go meet them. After they kidnap the boys, so you don't go meet them for where they dey. How come this man know where these people dey? But our military don't know where they dey. I don't understand. There be spirit, I be the man and spirit. Where they feed the waka go where armed bandits dey. Federal government go come as I call tell federal government say this is what we discuss. The federal government go call now could be mediator between federal government and armed bandit. It cannot be mediator, I be middleman between federal government and armed bandit. This one they tell us something, no? But more will they continue with the news. Our source they tell us now say the 800 million naira where this armed bandits and demand for as ransom before they go release the kidnap victims them. Say this check carry the money. Federal government I give them. They carry the money, go give the guys there for inside bush. And the guys they say very soon, them go release the schoolboys and the other 21 passengers for that bus where they kidnap. Although the Niger State governor don't come as I call deny, say lie. They don't pay money give anybody, and they ain't pay any money give anybody. Now Sheikh Gumi they talk say now say, may federal government give this armed bandit blank amnesty. May give them a chance to repent. Say you know they go inside bush, you know they go preach to them, you tell them say, may they turn away from this banditry where they do, and this kidnapping, say cause say they cause a harm to people, and all those kind of things, good. So when they call join Izala, or what they call Hala, say that one not they harm people, they cause harm to people, injury to people. But one other person don't come aside for the just concluded Juma prayer, where they call check Dashiru Bauchi. He don't come as I call to say he better say may these armed bandits may they continue to do their kidnapping and their urukuruku the way that they do, may they not stop. He say in fact as they do and so, yeah, they fulfill waiting their teaching and their belief dey. Say this Izala group wey you talk about, wey Gumi dey propose, say they against the beliefs and the teaching them wey they give. He talk this one for Juma. E can't be Juma. Juma na that their big prayer wey they do every Friday. He talk am for full congregation, everybody here. Now we don't not forget say e get one bishop wey come outside one time for Sokoto State, come talk something about this their Herbsmen wahala. Talk one or two things about this their religion stuff, all this ethnic cleansing, say all this one a plan right from time. He talk many things. E not reach 2 days. Now this most association of Islamic clerics, I don't know how they call them. They come outside, give am street warning. If he not pack, he look come for Sokoto State. Anything when he see make him manage am, not be smart, They give the guy better warning. In fact, anybody will do anything, where you be like say if they want portray them as bad people, that kind of thing. I go say maybe you do comedy. Your comedy, you can't dress like them. They try to, when you dress like them, you can't they do bad things with the dressing. They will just come out for social media and warn you, say, this thing when you talk, good. But now, their own person now don't come outside, use him mouth, to say, this kurukere or kuruku, where all this nama people they do. All this other one they call armed bandits, them. Because they don't get different name. Now, the one they work out for bush, they carry cow, na nama people. The one that they carry car, wey just the road, they go catch people for school, catch people for inside bus. They be armed bandits. He said this is where they do so good, may they continue. He said may they not stop. Say this one way Sheikh Gumi they talk. Say now they talk. He just want me they go against their teachings and their beliefs. Many people don't come as I call react. Why DSS never arrest these two people? And one person go just tell you to say. Once they kidnap people, once they do any orukuruku, e no go reach 24 hours, e don't go meet with the people, e know where they dey, and nobody don't feel like call and say, Oga, come here, how you know where they dey? Who they call you say, Oga, na here we dey o? How you they know their location? If not be say you know one or two of them for inside, and they cause problem for the country, and yet you they follow that they discuss. Every Friday be the governor of Kaduna State, he come outside one certain time, to say. In fact, not get show mercy to anybody. If you like call yourself armed bandit, if you like call yourself Herbsmen or whatever way you call yourself, if anybody try nonsense reach Kaduna State, now poofing on sites as in straight up, no mercy. They don't send message through the same Sheikh Gumi. Tell us say that they call for Kaduna State. He never able to tell they talk the statement. Fire don't burn one popular market now for Kaduna State. You know they understand the whole matter now, so. Sheikh Gumi dey one side they say, ain't go me they say me they repent. Another Sheikh they come out and say for where that the right thing that they do. The right thing where they cause problem to other people. What did they teach us? They teach us for school. They teach us for church. They teach us for mosque. Even for traditional worship say religious tolerance. Maybe we they tolerate each other religion. Not be religion do us. So the fact that one person choose to worship one thing, another person choose to worship another thing, no mean say you when they worship A, you better pass who they worship B. They teach us religious, and they teach us every day. Religious tolerance. Government go come and say religious tolerance. They will teach us for civic education, religious tolerance. Yet, some people see they come and they got to say, this is why they catch people so it good. And DSS never go meet all those kind of people. But when it be the same Niger Delta militant where they want to compare these people to so, when Niger Delta militant start, it not take 20, oh my God, it not reach how many days. They send army. If you see military presence that time for creek, not be here. Now so military they do and undo for inside creek, for all those small villages way near water. Say they find Niger Delta militant. They declare, it not take them 1 month. They declare Niger Delta militant a terrorist group for Nigeria. They proscribe them. When it be indigenous people of Biafra, whether they do their own agitation. Federal government prescribe them once as terrorists. Now these people don't reach other people own. Because maybe I not just know. Maybe because the leadership of the country come from their side. They fear to prescribe them as terrorists. Rather, they call them armed bandits. Bandits are people they do small things. So people wey dey do small pickpockets, I carry knife come show you say give me your phone. I be bandit o. Not be who dey do big things like wetin all these people they do. This matter it not just make sense at all. How you see this matter? This guy wey talk this word so what he talk say make sense. Make dem not stop the kidnapping. Abi how you see this other guy wey they always dey go meet these people dey inside bush. They follow them, they talk. They call federal government with in fact we no understand because the thing now e don dey take another dimension. Now Niger Delta militant don dey talk say e be like say na only people wey dey carry weapon na the federal government dey pay attention to. Una dey see how the matter dey go now. So only people wey federal government dey pay attention to are people wey dey cause problem for the town. People wey dey talk their own small say oga government no never do this one for us o. Oga government wanna do this one for us o. They no dey listen to them. They don come out and talk say when they do their kidnapping and their militancy, they do am because say all these foreigners wey they call take oil for their land with federal government permission, they cause underdevelopment to their land. They exploit them. They cause oil spillage. Fish they die. People wey dey fit go farm. People wey dey fit dey go fish. Yet na the region that they bring oil they come, and yet the region they very backward for development. They say where they do all these things so they not cause harm to innocent Nigerians. They go stand road. They catch people where they travel their own. They go maybe school or they go one thing. Say that the main people now they go meet. Although they do it in the wrong way, yes, they acknowledge it. Because like say federal government now, they quit to prescribe them as terrorists. Why people where they do worse than what they do for how many years now? Federal government not fit call them terrorists. So they call to say be like say they go soon resume again. No, so make we know how the thing go be. Militant dey one side, bandits dey one side, Herbsmen dey one side. Now they talk say IPOB na terrorist, so IPOB dey one side. Eastern Security Network they dey one side. The whole thing now is just a turn everybody head because it could be like say finally they want to tear this country into how many parts we don't know. But the thing when I go talk sharp for this full matter be say the truth of this whole thing they look us for face with the see am. Two people don't like they do something wey be like say they let us they know where to channel the energy today. Military they try to rescue kidnap boy. Somebody they thought say he go follow the kidnappers they talk. Now very easy thing now. 1 + 1 na 2 now. Adam, you know how they be. Another person they thought say the kidnapping is good. So Adam 2 + 1 na 3. We know how the whole thing they go. You say shook matter. Not let me they talk. Shook matter. Shook your mouth put for this matter. Drop your comment for the comment section. How you see this matter? May they forgive them, grant them amnesty, continue to give them the money where they give them. 800 million naira not be joke. Nigeria they borrow money to take fund budget. Yet the same Nigeria they see 800 million naira cash note 1,000 naira note 800 million naira they give people say they be kidnappers. How you see this matter? I don't feel talk for this matter again. I bet you say shook mouth put. Make we know your opinion. I bet not forget to like and to share this video to everyone. If you never subscribe, I bet do so sharp. Follow us on all our social media platforms: YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. We did there. And me when they bring you this news, so I'll be your sister Lawu Favor, and they tell you say the security of the nation, he dey our hand though. As much as he dey God hand, he also dey our hand. So may we say try to dey safe and dey very observant. If you see anything for your area, open your mouth, may you talk. Una well done.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like us.
Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask the question.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.